What is going on, family? Cribs here. Welcome back. Thanks for coming back and giving me your quality time, family. It means so much to me. I love you all. I have in my possession a box that was sent to me from Barbudo Beard Products. A mega massive box of goodies here that we are going to do a mega unboxing on. I'm going to be doing a little bit different here because I'm going to pause the video after certain things I show you just so it doesn't take too dang long, because I think he sent me every product he has in his lineup. So we're going to dive into this. But first, cheers. Let's get rocking and rolling. Got that caffeine in me. To anybody that is new here, my name is Mike Cribbs. I'm known as Swag in the beard community. I have an Instagram channel that is _beardswag_. Welcome. Thanks for coming by. If you're into beard product unboxings, beard mail, testing of the products, and then I give you a review so you can kind of get a basis of maybe some of the products that you haven't pulled the trigger on, you've been maybe thinking about, because I have a plethora, I think over 100 videos of different companies that I have reviewed. So about June, I think I'm going to be doing this for about a year. So anyways, if you're into those kind of things, if you're into Jesus Christ, because this channel is founded on Jesus Christ, love, positivity, community, a safe environment. Sometimes I rant and I give you some kind of scriptures, or I read a Bible verse for you, just positivity and uplifting, then this is a channel for you. Down below, there is a subscribe button, a reminder bell of when I have new content that comes out, a share button, and then there's a thumbs up or a thumbs down. If you haven't already hit one of those or all of them, sometime during the video or at the end, please do. It would mean a lot to me if you would. So welcome. I want to give a shout out before we dive into this box to a man, a Christian brother of mine named Tevan. Tevan has a YouTube channel named Purposely Bearded, where he gets on there and he does hilarious, transparent reviews with his son Weston Unbearded. So I just wanted to give him a shout out. The things that he's going to be doing in this community as well go right along with what I do, and what my brother Tyson at Faithfully Bearded does as well, is bring God into our reviews, because God needs to be everywhere. That's just how I feel, man. I want to further the kingdom of God, and I have brothers now that will do that with me. But that doesn't mean, if you don't believe in God, that doesn't mean you don't have a place here. You are more than welcome. I love you. We're family, and let's just tear into this box. So here we go, family. Like I said, this is a monster of a box that's heavy. So let's get into this, and I'm going to show you what the box looks like. I was not expecting a box this big. I was going to play me some frickin' storm music in the background. You know, why not? Alexa, play thunderstorms. Let's go ahead and do it.
Welcome back to Thunderstorm Sounds. You now have the option to unlock a longer sound loop and higher quality audio.
I don't care about that.
Would you like to learn more?
No.
If you change your mind, let's say ask Thunderstorm Sounds about pro membership.
Some poppies that I can use probably for when I ship out some goods. Oh man. Now, let me show you everything that is in this frickin' box, y'all. You can see why I'm going to pause it. So, my clicker quit working after I did the update on my dang phone, so I'm going to have to start pushing buttons and come back. So, bear with me, y'all. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, family. I have unboxed everything, and I have it sitting out on the table here. And I will have a photo of the whole genre, and I'll put it up probably right up here, just so you can see the photo of all 10. I think I'm a little confused over this, but I'll show you. Yeah, I refilled my coffee while I was paused, so forgive me. But this is what we're going to do. First one up. You have Poncho. Love the bottles. Love the labels. Let's see what Poncho is. Let me just tell you the ingredients of the oil. You have argan oil, avocado oil, jojoba, hemp seed, rice bran oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, and fragrance oil. Let's see if there is a scent profile on here, which I do not see, so I'll have to get into that. But anyways, there's the oil. There is something that's called Manteca, which is in Poncho, and what it has is cocoa butter, shea butter, lanolin, argan, avocado, jojoba oil, hemp seed, sweet almond, rice bran, vitamin E, and fragrance. So this must be like a whipped butter. And then this must be his balm. And on the back you can see they got a label on them too. So this has beeswax first, so it's got to be a balm. They don't have it marked down here on some of them. On some of them they do. What I've noticed, it does have balm written on it. And let me see if I can show you. Or butter or balm. Let's see which one I have here. Yeah, like on this one. You can see down at the bottom it says balm. But on this one, it doesn't say anything. So two different labels. It's one thing that's kind of confusing right now, but we'll get through it. So anyways, let's get back to the... So the first one I got is Poncho. In the oil, balm, and butter, I do believe. And then, he also sent me out the mustache grease. Which, you know who's going to like this? Dude. We'll get him involved with that mustache grease. Because he's going to be coming back, hopefully, with his pop here, and we'll be doing some, we'll get back to the beard swag of old, you know. Dude showing up and doing some mustache. Let me take, by the way, I got to take off my Dan C. Dan, you're amazing. Ooh, this hat is killer. Love my lids, y'all. Love my lids. So, let's go. That was the first one, which was Poncho. Second one. Let me just get it like this. Porter. 1 ounce. Same ingredients. No breakdown of the scent profile. I got them in all four, which is the oil, balm, butter, and the mustache grease. Next one. Dallas. I just love those labels, man. Love that design. This is actually one of the owner's friends that may actually work there. I'm not sure, but that's actually his mug on there. Then you got Butch. Then you got Curly. Then you got the Kid. Harden. And you've got Doc. I've heard a lot about Doc. And then Hoodoo. Hoodoo. And last but not least, Sundance. So what I am going to do, family, and like I say, I got them all in oil, balm, and butter, and the mustache grease. So I'm going to open one. Let me see, which one should I go with? You know what? Let's go with Doc. We're going to get Doc out here so I can show you. So I can see first impressions. Get this garbage off of here. Not too bad. Get that out. They all come with the plastic garbage around it, the seal, which is necessary. I understand that. Not trying to dog anybody. I just think it's friggin' garbage. Let me see. Where is the spot to rip and tear? Got it. And then we can actually see what the difference is here. I want to get kind of the consistency of what Manteca. I'll have to look that up, y'all. If you know what it means, leave me a comment down below. Manteca. Must be butter? I don't know. Okay, and then let's go with, we might as well open up the grease too. I want to show you what that is. Tell me what you think. If you guys can hear that in the background, I can't really tell right now because I'm recording, but a little bit of some ambiance. All right, let's just start out with the grease. Right off the bat, it's flowery. And the ingredients in the mustache wax, or grease, is beeswax, lanolin, shea butter, argan, avocado, jojoba, hemp seed, sweet almond, rice bran, vitamin E, and fragrance. And I do believe that is almost identical. You got beeswax, boom. Lanolin, yep. Shea butter, yep. No cocoa butter in it. Argan oil, yep. Avocado, yep. So it's basically, I do believe, the same, but we're not going to get into that right now. Flowery. Oh, yeah, you're going to have to get something to get that out. That's thick. That's waxy. I'll show you. Very clean, though. Too flowery for me. And I'll have the scent profiles when I do the review next, y'all. This is probably not one I will be testing out. Man, it's just got a lot of flowery in it. But boy, there's some other, that's a complex scent. There's some sweetness goes on. I'm going to have to probably rock that out. I'll look up all the ingredients after I'm done here. And this is the balm. It's a screw top. See kind of the honeycombs in it. Oh yeah, that's going to be a nice medium hold. Same scent profile. Kind of a sweet, flowery, citrusy. Man, that's complex. I don't know. And then let's go to the Ooh, that's why. Look at that. Whipped. That is a whipped butter. Yeah, same scent profile. I smell some citrus in this one too. I don't know, man. I'm all over the board on this. The more I smell it, the more I don't really mind it that much. But man, I can smell some flowery in there. I don't know if it's just the mixture of all the other stuff. I like the loudness of the scent profile of this first one that I've tried. But I've got a plethora here that I'm going to be tapping into to give you a breakdown. If you guys have tried this company before, leave a comment below. That would be amazing. I've got a lot of testing to do, family, so I'm going to start that off today probably. So that's what I got for you for this mega unboxing. And then also, he blessed me with a big boy shirt, man. Here, let's rock into this real quick. Thank you. Oh, that's a nice shirt. Love that color. Look at that. Oh, and then on the back. That's awesome. You know what? I have a feeling Nikki's probably going to steal this one from me. So, that's what I got for you, family. Hope you enjoyed it. Kind of quick and easy. We made it through. I'm not going to go through every single one of them yet, but I will probably pick out the ones that I like the most and dive into those. And then basically the ones that I don't like, I'll probably end up giving away to somebody. So, anyways, that's what I got for you for my unboxing today, family. Quick, easy, to the point. I love you. I'm proud of you. Go tell somebody you love them and that you're proud of them. Go pick somebody up today. Be safe. If you have somebody to forgive, go ahead and give them that forgiveness. Be graceful. Be gracious. If you have something you need to ask forgiveness for, be strong enough just to go ask forgiveness, because clearing up that space in your brain and of your heart and that conviction is so freeing. It's so valuable. And I just want to encourage you. I want to encourage you to be better to each other. Be a better father, be a better husband, be a better son. You know, that's what this is all about. So anyways, guys, I love you. God bless. And Cribs is out. I can't use the clicker because it won't work, so we're going to go old school and just hit the stop button. Peace out, family.